In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Woocommerce in test mode using 3 simple methods. Woocommerce is a fantastic tool for building your online store, and sometimes it's necessary to test everything out before going live with real transactions. Enabling test mode, also known as sandbox mode, is essential to ensure that everything from payment processing to order tracking is functioning smoothly without real money changes hands. Let's get started. The first step is to go to WordPress.com. This is your one-stop destination for managing your website and online store. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard, which is where you manage all the back-end aspects of your site, including Woocommerce settings. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by your dashboard. From here, look for the Woocommerce tab. Clicking this will take you deeper into the specific settings of your online store. Woocommerce settings are essential to configure correctly as they govern how your store will operate. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. You should click on the Settings option to dive deeper into the configurations. Here, you'll find a wide array of settings, but our focus is on the Payments tab. This section lets you manage everything regarding how transactions are processed on your site. Once inside the Payments settings, you'll see various payment options available to you, ranging from credit cards to alternative payment methods. Now, pick a payment method that you want to test. Once you've selected the payment option, you'll need to delve into some more advanced settings to enable the test mode. Look for the option labeled See Advanced Options and click it. This will uncover more detailed settings that give you finer control over how the payment method operates. It's here where we can enable test mode, also known as the sandbox mode. By checking the box labeled Enable Sandbox Mode, you're switching from real transactions to simulated ones. This mode allows you to test how payments are processed without any real money involved. It's essential to remember that while in sandbox mode, all the transactions are fictional, and it's only for testing purposes. You'll want to switch this off before you go live to ensure your customers are making actual payments. And there you have it. You've successfully set Woocommerce to test mode in just a few steps. This process is critical for testing and fine-tuning your online store before it goes live. Make sure to run thorough tests to cover all potential situations that could occur. This way, when you switch back to live mode, everything runs as smoothly as possible for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy testing!